let's go inside the weekly market na open 24 hours. So what they can offer here. So nasa rin mga baligya ng mga drinks. So dili lang siya aircon din. It's 24 hours open. Meron siya sa may highway sa Tagum. So let's go inside. I hope dili ko mag-copyright. So daghan sila baligya din. We'll see what we'll have here. Mag-buy ko ka ng deodorant. Kaya nakalimutan ko pala yung deodorant. So, mag-buy ko. 10 pesos only. So, we get 2. And let's look for what else. So, dagan siya mga baligya-biling. Pero, di lang siya aircon. So, medyo init siya. It's 24 hours open here and located in Tagum. So let's go. Ewan sila mga drinks. All kinds of drinks. So it's Korean supermarket. Korean baligya. So it's Korean grocery. I hope dili ko makapiright sa akong pag-vlog today kay naikanta dili na nagatingog. So, if you're from Tagum or you pass by Tagum area, so you can come here at Walmart. Dago kaya tindahan. So, hope you guys enjoy my short vlog and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below, okay? Have a nice day.